They have to apply the colors. Then second step, when it becomes stretched, dry, then stretched, partly opened and tied again and again. These are the processes. A rough explanation about the last classes. Here today we are particularly thinking about warp and weft. It is a part of warp and weft. It's a part of work which is related to weaving sarees. Weavers, first, the warp means what is that? If you are taking a piece of cloth or a handkerchief, there you can see that some threads are arranged in different order. That means vertically and horizontally, the threads are arranged in a cloth. That means the cloth, the thread which is arranged from top to bottom is called warp. Okay? Warp. That means the thread is yarn. Yarn which is arranged from the top to bottom is called warp, and side left to right. That means sidewise arrangement of the thread is called weft. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Huh? What is warp? Thread or yarn which is arranged from the top to bottom is called warp.
Ma'am, I had it out.
Right arrangement of the thread or yarn is called weft. Clear? Then here then what is that? Next one is, this is very important. What is called warp and what is called yes. See here, this is warp and this type of arrangement is called weft.
Ma'am, I had it out.
Then here, let us look at the account of a visit a weaver's house. In Pochampally, I told you that Telangana's
Teacher, I had it out, teacher.
weavers, families, and Pochampally settled in Pochampally. They are weaving world famous Pochampally sarees. And here, one of the families, we can take it as an example or a case study. That is Jagadayya's family. Jagadayya's family. Jagadayya is a resident of Pochampally, and I will read it for you. You have textbooks. Open your textbooks. Page number 73. Jagadayya is a resident of Pochampally. All of his family members, his wife, his son, and daughter-in-law work as weavers. That means this is the specialty of the weaving family. Weaving family means almost all of them will be trained themselves and engaged with those work.
Teacher, I had it out.
You also, if you have textbook, open and page number 73. You can also read that, because it is a case study example. How do they live? What are their works? What are their problems? And everything is explained into the case study. That means Jagadayya case study. So I will be reading it for one day. All of you have to listen carefully. Then engage with this entire family. Jagadayya, his wife, his son, and daughter-in-law. All the members are engaged with the weaving work for their family. We found all members in the family engaged in different tasks while he was winding yarn. Who is winding the yarn? First step of the work. Jagadayya is winding the yarn, and his son Murali was engaged in weaving on the maggam or maggam part of the work that he will do. Then set up inside the house. That work he is doing inside the work. You people are very familiar with the maggam works, different kinds of maggam works.
Yes, teacher.
Then here, other tools, the maggam work Murali, his son is doing, and other tools such as chitkasu. See, chitkasu. Sanjana, don't draw lines on the screen. Shivani also. Listen carefully. It shows your disinterest. See that you are getting very clearly one class that you have to use it the maximum. Understood? Don't disturb, don't do any kind of naughtiness. Especially this is girls session, you should be very maintain very good discipline. Okay, I don't want to disturb you again, you don't want to disturb me again. Clear? Listen
Ma'am, I
carefully.
had it out.
Other tools such as chitkasu, that names are very important. I will ask you in the middle. Then that next one more is that do that type for dyeing. Then next panni, then achu. These all are the small tools for their different works. Then thread and rubber tubing also were used for different tasks to producing ikat sarees. These many steps of works with these many rules along with the tools they are using. Whose family? Jagataya's family. Then most of the tools are grown old. Jagdaya spent most of the time winding yarn and his son weaves on the loom. See that? Jagdaya is a very old man. He is using his most of the time for these kind of arrangements. Basic arrangements are doing by Jagdaya. Jagdaya's wife and daughter-in-law do bobbin binding. Bobbin binding means arranging of the thread in a stiff and proper manner. Jagdaya's grandchildren are studying in schools. They are not engaged because nowadays people are giving more importance for the student education. So his grandchildren are studying. Then there is some work like warping done collectively by group of weavers on streets. See that Jagdaya's family is fully engaged with the weaving, so that they are getting some kind of warping and wefting. These all works they are getting from the outsiders, from their villages. Villagers also they are taking some kind sort of work. Help. It is just like a help. So you see that Jagdaya's wife is doing the work. You can see that in the picture. Clear? Then
Yes,
here.
teacher. Yes, teacher.
Sometimes then these
Yes,
Murali brings
teacher.
all the raw materials. Murali brings all the raw materials. Dyed silk yarn, gari, and the design from master weaver and sometimes cooperative society of which he is a member. Jagadaya gets all the raw materials at a time to weave 8 sarees. The whole family. Jerusha, sit properly. If you are not interested, I will keep you in the block room. Then you cannot listen to the class or see anything. Understood? Technology means there are different levels. Now I am giving freedom to you that you have to use effectively. Otherwise, I will keep you in the block room. Then I will not allow you to see the class for the entire session. Don't do naughty things. The whole family has to work for 12 to 15 hours a day. See that? They are doing their work at their own home, but they are working 12 to 15 hours per day. 12 to 15 hours. See, you cannot sit quietly for 40 minutes. See, this Jagadaya's family is working every day for their survival, 12 to 15, not minutes, hours. See that how much they are working hard for their survival, that you have to understand. Then, here, weaving sari is a hereditary occupation. That's why Jagadaya, his son, his wife, daughter-in-law, and all the members engaged with that work. This in Varasatvam ka chestuna oka work. So that they are doing, making the children to learn that from their life, childhood itself, this job. Then between March and May, there is a problem for these weavers. What is that? March and May, they will be getting some kind of disturbance. Then we will see what are the problems. demands here they are facing. Jagdaya's family is able to weave only for a few hours a day, March and May, March and April, even in May also. Can you say what is the reason for that? It is very hot season. Hot season means these people cannot
Thread
work
will
for
be
one time.
broken, teacher.
Around 11 or 11:30 like that, they will be stopping their work. Once the climate is getting hot, then the heat of the climate is increasing means they will stop the work because their yarn or thread will get break, cut off.
Yes, teacher.
So that they don't want to lose the thing and it will be a loss for them now. If the raw material is getting damaged means they cannot complete their work. So what will be happening? They will be stopping according to the climatical consideration or observation also required there. Then if the temperature is high, the thread will get damaged. Those who are having textbook, underline that point. Then if the temperature is high, the thread will get cut so that during the very hot time of the day, they will not work. Then the whole family works only afternoon during these days. March, April, May month, these weavers family will work only the afternoon session. Women are distressed as they have to do. Only see that as usual, we are also women now. See, you know that some of your parents also working. Parents means mothers or mothers are also working. Ladies means you can understand that they have to before going to office or school or for their work, they have to settle their household works in the house. Then only they can go out for their official work. See, these here ladies are facing a kind of stress, extra stress. So that here also these women before starting their work, they have to settle their household work. Then they can go for their weaving process. Here, distressed as they have to do not weaving, but also household chorus they have to do. Then Then earlier, here one thing is happening. Earlier, Jagdaya's family used to weave for the cooperative societies. You know, cooperative societies were in the matter of basket making also. There was also the service they have taken from the cooperative societies. Here also, for weavers also, cooperative societies are there to support and help them. For in previously, see that now Jagdaya became an old man. In his younger age, he was weaved clothes only for the cooperative societies. Then the cooperative societies provide financial assistance. What was the reason for that work? Only Jagdaya, in his younger age, Jagdaya was worked for only for the weaved clothes for the cooperative societies. What was the reason? Here, he took a lot of financial assistance from the cooperative society. See that if we are taking any kind of debt or making any debt or taking any cash in advance from somebody means always that person will be surrendered to listen their orders or demands. They have to commit that. That is quite natural in the normal life and see this kind of society or viewers also as usual it is happening. You know that after no. Slowly as you grow up, you can understand these all matters in a clear way. Then here also Jagdaya used to take financial assistance from cooperative societies. Then he used to give all his products to the cooperative societies. Then they also help getting loans for construction of houses. Different way they used to cooperative societies used to help these people and they used to get the raw material cost. As raw material cost, they used to get money. Then for their financial needs, other needs, constructing houses or hospitalization like life insurance, and what is that, any urgent need in the purpose of marriage of their daughters or children. For this whole purpose, whatever financial assistance they want, these cooperative societies used to give that. Then after giving that, they will be demanding that, demanding the for the products. So here nowadays, the cooperative society does not give additional sources of income to run their families. Previously, they used to give for all their necessities. Cooperative societies arranged money for these weavers' family. But here, what happened? Nowadays, cooperative societies also changed their way of working. What they have done, they stopped giving all other financial assistance for their families, only for related to weaving work. They are giving the financial assistance. Okay. Then, since a master weaver in Pochamali agreed to give work and remuneration, Jagdish's family began weaving ikat sarees for the master weaver. Here, see, there is a group of people, master weavers. Master weavers means, see here, they are working as the middleman. Middleman means that master weaver will arrange the raw materials as well as money for the weaver's family if they are in need. Then what is happening? If once these weavers were taken money from this master weaver, definitely these small weavers, they have to listen the word of master weaver. Why? Because he has given money for these people. So they have to listen their word. Jagdaya has not given up the membership of the cooperative society with the hope that it will improve its functioning in the future. See that what are the procedures to join in a cooperative society? First, like a bank, if we have to get any kind of service from a bank, what we have to do? We have to take an account, open an account in the bank. Then only bank will be giving all the information and other bank related services to us. Like that, here cooperative society is also working in the same way. What they are doing, first these weavers have to take and what is membership. It is called a membership. Membership they have to take in the cooperative society. Then step by step the cooperative society will help these people in a for the production of the sarees. In the nowadays, in the matter of production of sarees only, cooperative societies are giving financial assistance. Previously, it was not like that. They were given financial assistance for all the necessities of the weavers' family, because they were very poor at that time, and there was not much restrictions. Nowadays, cooperative society is also getting a lot of restrictions from the bank. That means the government or the RBI, so that they reduced their service sector. Particularly, they are giving only for the weaving purpose. Okay, weavers and their problems. That we will see now. Weavers and their problems. See that we cannot listen that, no, we cannot say that weavers are safe with the cooperative societies and they don't have any problem. They are having a lot of problems, because nowadays financial problems are day by day, it is increasing. See that now the situation has become very worse because of the COVID. Because see, previously last year you used to come to school and study. Now when you see what is the situation, you cannot move to the school and the teachers cannot teach you. We cannot accommodate you in the school at a time like large strength like last year. This year you are supposed to sit at home and you have to listen the what is that, online classes in such a way. Previously, they were very free with their work. Cooperative societies moved freely with the financial assistance to the weavers, but nowadays that there are also some restrictions have arrived. So here also weavers problems and cooperative societies that we will see. See here, I think that if you are having your notebook, you can note down the important points. Otherwise, at least you have to draw the lines in the textbook on just under the important points. Here, see, what are the problems? Telangana is one of the states in India which have a large number of handlooms. We can feel proud of that because in India we have 29 states. Out of 29, Telangana is one of the most important industrial state actually. Then here in this industry also, handloom industry is very popular in Telangana. So that not only in Telangana, it is popular worldwide. Its product, particularly Pochampally and Pochampally sarees, are very famous worldwide. It is unique pattern. Only 3 in colors it will be. Then that is very it's showing the high standard of the product. Material is good and pattern is good. Then the quality of the product is good. So it has a very good what is that favor or name in the world. All around the world, people are fond of ikat sarees. Then handloom, here our handloom industry is very popular and well known. During the last few decades, handloom weavers have been facing a serious problem. What is that? They face a stiff competition from power loom and mill-made cloths. That is the main problem these people are facing. See that power loom. Power loom and mill-made products. Then mill-made products. Do you know what is power loom and the mill-made products? Mill-made products means the cloth. Mill-made means the cloths which are producing with the in the very huge what is that? Cloth mills. Mills are there. That means they are using machines for almost all the work they are using. Only operators are required there. Weaving and yarning, coloring, everything, bobbin, and all the works are doing there with machines. So with machines means only the technical operators are required there. Weavers are not getting much preference there. Only few people are getting requirement there. So those people will do the technical work. Machines are doing the major part of the work. The next one is power loom. Power loom means the where they are using only the with the help of the what is that, electricity and other type of the work. These clothes are cheaper. Why these machines are doing the work? That means product is more. Product is more. So what is happening? Product more means they are in the rate of the product become cheap. So what will be happening? These clothes are cheaper as they have produced on machines, and also because they are synthetic yarn which is cheaper than cotton silk. Here cotton is costly, but here synthetic yarns they are using to in the mills and power loom they are using synthetic yarns. Synthetic yarns are cheaper than cotton thread. Then here, due to high quality of the unique beauty, the Pochampalli saree seems to be expensive. See that Pochampalli saree means I told you what are the steps, how they are making, how many days it takes to complete one product, and it long process. And they are spending most of 10 to 12 hours, 15 to 10 to 15 hours they are working. Very much struggled work for weavers. So according to this all considered all these struggles, these ikat sarees or Pochampalli sarees, both are saying are having high cost in the market in India as well as in abroad. Then here, even though it is popular, it is very popular, I told you that, then these viewers also do not get good rates due to middlemen's involvement. See that 10 to 15 hours per day, they are working to working for the Pochampalli sarees, but these people are getting very few rate because there also middlemen's involvement is there. They are taking they are collecting the products, sarees from the weavers in a cheap rate and selling into the market with a high rate. So without any stress or strain, middle people are getting more profit than the weavers. The struggles for the weavers and benefit more for the middlemen. So here we will conclude this session. The bias are spread all over the world. See that we people, we are not weaving the cloth, but we are using cloth. So all over the world, people are required dresses in different way, model, different with a different what is that material and all those things. So requirement is spread all over the world. Then fashions and cities, fashions. Now people are observing next availability is there means fashions monthly or every 3 months or 6 months fashions are getting changed. So they will be by always the people are fond of to buy new model or latest model we used to say now. So for people are in search of that. So these people, these weavers are not getting the recent latest trend from the market. Very late they are getting. So that change is also coming slowly. They are getting the information slowly. What is the trend now? So they are getting the information late. So what is happening here? They are making the change also a bit slow. So that also reduced their sale. Then they also have to depend on middlemen to get the, see again, these weavers are depending on the middlemen to get the raw material, to get the trend, the recent latest trend of from the market, and the silk yarn as they are produced in faraway centers. Some threads, some of the raw materials, silk yarn and everything, they will not get by their nearby places. It will be producing in far off places. They have to collect and get it arranged with their surroundings, so that they are depending on the middlemen. Middlemen are doing all this work for them, and they are taking. This gives the middlemen an important position in the handloom industry as they try to get the largest share of the saree price. See that see these many all the services, arranging raw materials, giving information about the latest trend, and then transport arrangements and everything are doing by the middlemen. So these people are getting more importance in the more profit in the saree field are gaining by the middlemen. Understood? So middlemen are playing vital role there. So they are taking the more profit from the than the weavers. Weavers are struggling, but middlemen are getting the profit more. Okay. Next remaining part tomorrow we will complete the session. So all of you have to read the lesson what I taught today. Tomorrow I will be asking some questions, reflective questions from that. You should be ready to give the answer or prepare your notes. I will be sending the MCQ questions also in the classroom. Okay. Thank you children for listening.